You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. You will need from 5 to 6 meters of fabric depending on your size. Cut out the pattern pieces. Glue it with a sticky tape. For this skirt, I pick lace, tulle fabric. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut out 10 identical pieces. Cut waist detail. Measure it to your figure. Iron center fold. Sew 6 blocks together as one detail. I use overlock. Sew another block from for pieces. Flatten the seams and sew decorative seam on top. Fold and sew 2 edges where the split will be. Sew decorative stitch. Mark the split length. Measure it to your figure. Sew the top of the split. Sew waist detail to the skirt. Overlock edge of the waist. Sew decorative stitch on top. I suggest 25 centimeters secret zipper. I decide to fold edges of the zipper to make it narrower and less visible, because I use see-through fabric. Overlock top edge where the zipper will be. Sew decorative stitch on top of this seam. Sew seam under the zipper. I only had zipper. That's a bit too long, so I cut out the bottom. Sew decorative stitch under the zipper. Finish the bottom of the skirt. Hand stitch extra lace on the split. Tutorial for underskirt is in another video. Good luck on your project.